Hello aspirants, welcome back to Yockets YouTube channel. Have you heard that schools in the US are going test optional? Does that mean SAT scores don't matter anymore? Well, no. This is a myth. SAT scores are as valuable today as they were earlier. In today's video, we will be discussing the SAT syllabus for Indian students. So stay till the end of this video for some interesting facts about SAT and some hacks for preparation. Scholastic Assessment Test or SAT is divided into 4 sections according to the 2022 exam pattern: reading, writing, mathematics and essay, which is optional. If you haven't watched our What is SAT video, then watch it to understand what SATs are and why you should be taking them. Now let's discuss some interesting facts about the SAT. SAT is a 96-year-old entrance exam. It happens 7 times in 1 year. It's accepted by nations like US, UK, India, Canada, Australia, Malaysia and many more. Performance is judged on a 400 to 1600 score scale. There is no negative marking and more than 1.5 million students take this exam annually. The fees range from $55 to $108 depending on the country. Students taking the SAT in India pay $101 for without the optional essay, whereas the fees for with the optional essay exam is $117. And SAT scores are valid for up to 5 years. So coming back to the SAT exam syllabus for 2022, let's take a deeper look at the pattern and the syllabus of the SAT exam. Starting with the reading section. This is a reading comprehension section that contains 5 passages, each about 550 to 700 words long, and each passage has 10 to 11 MCQs, which means 52 questions in total. And the total time limit to finish this section is 65 minutes. Moving on to the writing and language section. This section helps to assess your grammar, vocabulary and language skills. It has 4 passages with 10 to 11 MCQs each to sum up 44 questions in total. Herein, you have to find the errors and fix the sentences within a time frame of 35 minutes. Next on is the math section, which covers topics like arithmetic, statistics, geometry, data interpretation, probability and other problem-solving questions. The math section is divided into 2 parts with a total of 58 questions. The no calculator part is for 25 minutes and the part with calculator has a duration of 55 minutes. Lastly, the optional section is essay. This section helps in evaluating your reading, writing and analytical skills. It contains a 650 to 700 words passage. Firstly, you need to read and understand this passage properly to analyze the author's perspective and arguments. And you get a 50-minute window for this section. Feeling overwhelmed due to the vastness of the syllabus? Well, don't be. I will share some useful hacks on how to prepare optimally as per the SAT exam syllabus for 2022. For starters, select the most suitable date from the available alternatives. Start your preparation as early as possible and at least 6 months before the exam, if not more. Join an online or offline coaching. Try solving previous year's question papers and appear for SAT mock tests whenever you can. There's also a link in the description for you to learn the best strategies and tips for SAT exam test preparation. Scored less in your previous SAT? No worries, Yocket has a solution for that too. Check out the link in the description to know how to improve your SAT scores. Or else you can also book a consultation with us by calling the number flashing on the screen now. With this, we reach the end of today's video. I hope the pattern, syllabus and preparation for the SAT exam is crystal clear to you. And if you like this video and share it with your friends. Feel free to drop your queries, comments and feedback in the comments section. Our experts will get back to you. At Yocket, we have a team of experts dedicated to answering your pain points and queries, so make sure you tell us in the comments section what you would like us to cover next. Take a moment and check out our channel for more valuable information. Our Yocket Connect series, where Yocket aspirants who made it share their success stories, experiences and tips. Many expert interviews, live streams and tutorials outlining the nitty-gritties of everything study abroad. Next video dropping soon. Until then, stay tuned and good luck aspirants.
Check out Yocket's free College Finder feature. Just select the level of your degree, the country you're aiming for, your course Fill in your educational details, your test scores, and any work experience. And there you have it, a personalized list of universities divided into ambitious, target, and safe universities for your individual profile. Click now.